What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the apartment. Welcome to the hotel room where I'm staying at here in Lisbon. I just woke up, had some breakfast at this place across the street. Really good breakfast, highly recommend it. I just stayed here one night. I stayed in another place for 3 nights and I just switched to this hotel that was a whole lot nicer for the last night. I'll explain a little bit more about that situation, but I'll just quickly show you guys before I go to the airport, what does this hotel look like? So let's come check it out. So right here's the entryway. Then you got the mirror here. It's usually lit up, but for some reason it's turned off since I guess I stayed here. Here's the bathroom. What's really cool is that it has a lot of cement rock feature to it on the wall. Gives this kind of cool atmosphere vibe to it. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. Nice little toilet, very clean, very contemporary, and a really nice waterfall shower with a really cool textured smooth like wall here. Quite a nice touch. Coming back into this room, this is the main room. As soon as you enter, you got the TV and the desk, along with a really cool mini fridge. It's kind of a retro style, quite nice. I like that style a lot. And I really like these lights. It gives it kind of like a warm glow, as you can see. And this whole backdrop wall, along with everything. And my room came with a twin set, two twin beds. I just slept in this one. And yeah, it's pretty basic. Really cool. The overall room was really comfortable. Even though it's cold outside, it's quite warm. It's quite warm, and you can see like the city view from outside. From the room. It's right on the street corner here. And the center is that way, in that direction. Just a short, very short walk. And it's really nice in the morning. The sun will rise over the roof over here and shine into the room, giving it a really warm atmosphere. It's about 42 euros for the night, and it's in the low season. Keep that in mind. It's probably going to be a lot higher depending on whenever you come here and which room you reserve. But this is a really good price for being in the center, like right in the center, very convenient to everything. So guys, I highly recommend this room if you guys are coming to look for a place to stay here in the center that's easy, convenient, and easy to get to from the airport, and that's very comfortable, modern, and contemporary. I highly recommend this place. Come check it out when you're here. This is called My Story Tejo, and yeah, I highly recommend it. I stayed in Portugal for a few days in Lisbon, and unfortunately I got sick right after my first day of staying here, especially in that last hotel I was staying at. That's the reason why I changed to this one, because the air in that room was very hard to breathe. Not only that, but the overall room was very cold and quite moldy or damp. The air was just very it just made me cough quite a lot, and I was getting sick. So yeah, I felt pretty bad, and I just on the last night just changed to this hotel room where it was a lot more comfortable, and I noticed a big difference. I'm coughing a whole lot less and I'm feeling a whole lot better. So I highly recommend that if you have the money, don't be afraid to spend it on a nice place or a nicer place here. It's gonna affect how you enjoy your trip and your overall energy. So, it's good to be budget conscious, but don't be like a penny pincher, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Hope that makes sense. I know that I sound sick in this video. I'm still kind of sick, and I'm just getting over it. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comment section below, what are some places that you recommend to check out to see and do in Lisbon while you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, guys, see ya.